Welcome back to Trauma to Dreams. Now this video is not going to be positive, but hear me out. There's a story to this because I've been feeling rather down this week and it was a build-up. So I've experienced something that actually took me to the hospital in the middle of the night. I had 2 nights of that, which I couldn't sleep because I'm a little bit of a hypochondriac person, so I'm afraid to die because I've been through so much in this life, you know, knife fights and brutality and all sorts of things. And the only thing that really frightens me is that I die from the inside. So yeah, I'm very in tune with my body. I didn't know this was going to happen, but it was a build-up during the week. So here's a video which I already made, but I'm a bit down this week because of that feeling, because I can't describe what I've been through, and this was what happened. So I hope this video doesn't get you down, because you know, I was so frustrated. I was down. I was, you know, so furious with what's wrong with me, and I couldn't find it till finally I got the answer in the hospital. So, and I've done some stuff this week actually, so, and good news as well. So there's that. So enjoy. Good morning. It's Friday. I've just uploaded the last video, which I said that my body was acting strangely the last couple of days, and that's true. Now my body is protesting. I don't know why, because it's like this belt around me, around my chest, is tightened up for several hours, and it has so much trouble to relax. And you know, it kind of hurts a little bit, and it's because of the nightmares that I have to endure every night. I don't know why it hasn't stopped yet, because most of my traumas I have been relieved of, but apparently it's not enough. And I've been dreaming nightmares about anything, not even the things that bothered me in the past, but you know, it's this tension. It doesn't go away, and I have so much trouble getting rid of it. Usually when I go to sleep, it takes me about 20 minutes to really relax, because when I lay down on a bed horizontally, everything just chokes up like this, and I don't know why that is. I have had some therapy upon that, but it hasn't gone away. So, and I don't know how to solve this. It's one of those things that I can't seem to get rid of, and it's really bugging me. Every night there's something, some tension, and I don't know what it is. I can't relax. I can relax during the day now a little bit, but you know, because I'm consciously thinking about, oh, relax your body, relax your stomach. But in my sleep, the unconsciousness takes over and just tightens up everything. It's one of those things, because I'm afraid to die as well. And I don't really want to die. Well, I used to, but that is all solved, you know. I just can't seem to relax. So, and these are one of the things that triggers me not to do anything, because I need to focus on relaxing, and you know. So it's like a vicious circle that I can't get out of. And I need to know I need to change something, because you know, as a highly gifted person, I'm always looking for answers, and I found so many already, but this one doesn't seem to go away, and it has to do something with the unconsciousness. So I'm looking into hypnosis and frequencies, and you know, these grounding mattresses, almost anything, just to get the tension away, or just to live a normal day. Haven't had a normal day since the age of 3, so yeah, I'm kind of stubborn like that, to find the answers and fix my existence. Well, I gotta continue, so that's what we're gonna do. Well, I set myself a goal today, and that was to clean the house. I did that. I don't have any footage of it, because it wasn't driven by I need to please the people, but more like I was in control of the actions that I did. So yeah, here's the result. The kitchen is clean. I got the lights working, and upstairs the illumination is working. I've got this all cleaned up. The whole pile here is, everything is gone, and the wood stove is burning nicely, and got some Christmas lights up. In half hour I will go to the second-hand shop and to bring some old stuff over there for other people to use, and yeah, and I got the green light to buy a van, so I got the finances ordered up. So yeah, it's finally moving along. Even this corner here got cleaned up, so I'm finally doing something. I've been putting these how do you call them, like plastic tiles or something, like laminate or something. Yeah, there were some falling off, and I fixed those. So that's something that I actually did. You know, it's hard. Sometimes my energy levels are just so all over the place, you know. This complex post-traumatic stress disorder is not, it's ruining some of the key things in my life. And I want to point out that anybody who is struggling with even PTSD or complex PTSD, I give you a shout out. You are trying so hard. Try EMDR, try hypnosis, try setting yourself a goal. Even if you are, you know, depressed, because I was depressed for a long time, and you have to set yourself some goals. And my goal is to turn everything into a sale here and buy my place in France, because I've seen some houses over there pretty cheap and I'm going to have a future there. Unfortunately without my daughter, but I will commute a lot to see her anyway, so yeah, that is the thing for now. And I will do my best to be there for her in times of need. We have the internet, we have calls. Once a month I will visit there anyway, because I need to see her, because she's one of the reasons I'm doing this for. Yeah. Yep. That was the first pile, first thing that I needed to take care of. It was the plastics we have. You can just unload them in front of the camping and they will be picked up tomorrow morning. So I went to the junkyard. That went all well. I went to the second-hand shop, dumped those stuff. I had some lunch and I went to another hardware store where I got some pallets, so I had something to burn. It was free. It was from an ex-colleague of mine, so that helped. And yeah, very friendly. So yeah, I don't know if you can see me, but it's the middle of the night. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and my body is protesting like an idiot. I've just called the medical advice staff and I'm going to the hospital, because I'm not sure if this is something that is related to the syndrome of Tietze, because that in fact gives me the same feeling as a heart attack. Man, this is like almost I don't know, maybe 10th time that I've been to the hospital for this shit, and I'm so sick and tired of it. And I want to know, if is there a clogged artery or whatever. I'm so tired of this. It wakes me up in the middle of the night like pain in my chest, and so we're gonna find out. Anyway, I've got the green light to visit, and yeah, we're going to look for problems. This is, I'm so sick and tired of this. It's ridiculous. I'm home, back from the hospital. It seems to be the problem that my stomach acid is disrupting my, how do you call it, the whole swallowing section, and that it overreacts. So that would feel really icky. So I'm back now. It's like 2 o'clock, no, 2:30 in the morning. So I have to work in about 3.5 hours. I can't sleep now, so I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. I haven't had any quality sleep, so yeah, we'll see in the morning. And with that said, I hope I feel a lot better. Got some medication to get rid of the stomach acid fast and easily. So I have to take a good look at my diet. So I'm gonna do that.